Guys, today let's make some goat meat stew. So what I do is I normally steam my tomato base for a while before using it, so that reduces my cooking time. And I spice my goat meat with all my yummy goodness spices that I have, and some garlic ginger paste. And don't forget, I always try to use some fresh herbs because that takes the flavors to another level. And I let that steam on its own and brings out its natural juice from the meat, before adding extra water. So in a clean pot, I put some oil, some onions, some bay leaf, and thyme to enhance all the flavors I want. And then after that, I put some tin tomatoes with a bit of curry sauce. I got that from our normal shops here, and let that fry for about 10 minutes before I go ahead and add the yummy goodness of our tomato base that we prepared earlier and blended in our blender. Then when that is ready, I put the goat meat in this yummy stew base. So that allows the goat meat to absorb all the flavors, and that makes it taste amazing. Before going ahead to put my meat stock, some water, and allowing it to cook. Once you see the oil floating on the stew, you know that your stew is ready. So we served ours with some plain cooked white rice, and it tasted amazing. Amazing. I can't even overemphasize it enough. Let me know what you'll be serving yours with. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.